Oh my god, that's so perfect. Hey guys, and welcome to today's episode of Eatin'. Yay! So I have been feeling extremely lazy and extremely hungry due to this weather. It's been really rainy over here in Florida, and I've just been really lazy and tired from work, and I haven't slept, so I haven't been cooking at all, hence why my face looks like a pizza. And to celebrate, I decided, why not order pizza? So today's mukbang will be pizza from Domino's. Yay! So aside from pizza, I also ordered some Alfredo pasta, like the little pasta bowl or whatnot, and I also got some cinnamon twists, nuts of some sort. I'm hungry, I want a dessert, I want a bit of everything, so I'm gonna accompany this with a bottled Coke because this is the best kind of Coke there will ever be. Yeah. So lately work has been a little stressful, kind of, sort of. I mean, it's been a little slow, but it is what it is. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Yay. I haven't had Domino's in forever. I'm so happy right now. So if you guys remember from my other mukbangs, I ended up talking about how I don't really eat the crust of anything. I don't care for the crust of absolutely anything. The crust of the pie, the crust of the pizza, just nope. So if you're wondering and you're new why I don't eat the crust, I just don't like it. So today I decided to order a pepperoni pizza, and I got some mushrooms in it, and yes, these are pineapples. I am a pineapple on a pizza kind of girl. Sorry. I am really, really happy right now. I'm so happy. I don't understand. I didn't really have much to eat today. Well, for breakfast I had an egg, like a scrambled egg, and I had some cereal, and then I drove to work. And at work, I ended up having some Cuban bread with some coffee, like café con leche. I just love dipping the Cuban bread on the coffee. It just tastes so good. So I had that. I don't think I snacked on anything, but for lunch I did have soup. Soup is like my least favorite thing to eat because I honestly don't consider it food. I hate soup. I'll eat it only when it's like the last resort kind of thing, or if it's the only thing available or whatever. Like, I don't mind eating it, but to me it's not food. It doesn't fill me up. I hate drinking a soup and then 5 minutes later I'm completely hungry again. I don't get the point of soup. But yeah. So now I'm having pizza and pasta and cinnamon stuff. Yum. So, as always, we shall play a game. Yay! What part are we doing? Pick one, kick one. Part 3. K-pop game. I'm sorry. I absolutely love Domino's pizza. Like, I had forgotten what Domino's pizza was like, to be honest. We hardly ever order Domino's. Why? I don't know. But the seasoning on this pizza is the shit. It makes me so happy. Oh. I'm gonna dig in before I start this game. Not bad. So I'm eating the chicken Alfredo pasta. Not too shabby. To be honest, I don't really care for like creamy pastas or like white sauce pasta, but it's pretty good. Or maybe I'm just really hungry. All right, pick one, kick one, part 3, K-pop game. Let's do this. Okay, I am so glad they chose this song against NCT. I choose NCT. I love Touch. I don't care for Boomerang. Oh! I'm gonna choose Blackpink. I love this song. This song was my jam. No. These guys are so adorable and so talented. I love the boys. Pause. Oh. Okay. I absolutely love 17, but I also love the boys. And to be honest, when you put those two songs together, I'm not quite sure which ones I would choose. I feel like if you would have chosen another like 17 song. No, I'm thinking about this too much. I love 17 though. Okay, so I'm gonna go with The Boys for this one, just because we're talking about songs, and I like that song better than this one, so I'm gonna love Highlight, but damn. Whatever, I'm choosing The Boys. Shiny! I'm not looking at the video because you guys want us to react to the video and I have not seen the video, but I have heard this song. Oh. I'm gonna go with Shiny. I love you. I'm gonna go with Exit. I love this song. Oh. I gotta go with Girls' Generation. I love Girls' Generation so much. I'm super biased. I'm so sorry. I love this song though. Aww. Stop. You guys, he sounds just the same live. He's amazing. I love G-Dragon. Aw, they cut it right on the... This is hard. I love Big Bang. Okay, pause. I love Taeyang's voice. He has the most beautiful voice ever. Had I chosen a different song, I think I would have chosen Taeyang, but I'm gonna go with G-Dragon because I absolutely love this song. The song actually made me tear up when I first heard it. So I'm gonna give it to GD. I love GD. He's my eyes. Next. I'm sorry, 7 o'clock. I haven't really heard this song, so I'm going with Dreamcatcher. Ah. Ah, I love this song so much. The choreography is so shit. Pause. I love Monsta X. Fact of the matter is, I'm gonna go with 101. You guys saw the way I was jamming out to that song. I love that song. It puts me in a great mood. I mean, I love Fighter, but we're doing songs here, DEYA. We're doing songs here. If I had to choose a group, I would just choose Monsta X, but we're doing songs. 101. Hey. Hello, bitches. Ah, I love CL. She's such a queen. She's so beautiful. I knew they were gonna put her against her. I hate Hyuna. I am so sorry. I don't hate her. I just don't like her music. It drives me insane. I've tried. You guys don't understand how many times I've tried to like her music, and she's beautiful. She's beautiful, I'll give her that. But I just don't like her songs. I don't know what it is. I cannot get into any of them, and I feel like she just tries a little too hard. I don't know. I'm sorry if I offend any Hyuna fans. I'm sure she's great. She's just not for me. CL, however, CL can do no wrong. I think for me, like pasta and like pizza are just like total comfort foods. I'm not gonna lie, I've been feeling very down lately. And not like the kind of down where it's kind of like it's just like the weather, or you know, like, how do I explain it? I've been able to control my anxiety lately, but I feel like my depression is coming back, and I'm having a hard time figuring out how to control that. I think a lot of it has to do with just like my schedule, and I just think too much, to be honest. Like there's so much that I want to do, and I feel like I'm not even near to accomplishing anything. We're gonna take a break. Alrighty, you guys, we are back. I kind of had to like just take a breather and just like gather my thoughts and stuff. I realized that I miss my sister a lot. A lot. She's my best friend. I literally tell her everything. It just sucks. It sucks being away from the people that you care about most. And the other day I posted something on Twitter, and it was in regards to how it's so sad that like my mom and I, we live in the same house, but we never see each other, like hardly ever. So like 2 days ago was her day off, and I was so happy that it was her day off that day, because it turns out that it was Mother's Day in Nicaragua. So we ended up just like watching movies and drinking, and it was just so special. Like, don't take your parents for granted, guys. Don't take the little things for granted. Yeah. This is awkward. Let's continue the game. I love Card. I've actually seen them twice already. They are amazing performers, amazing singers, amazing dancers. They're perfect. Yes, I'm so happy they chose this song. I love Card, and I'm choosing Card over SS9. I like this song. I like the vibe of it, but I never listened to it that much. I know Joe is like obsessed with that song. Ooh. Singing forward kills me. I love this song just because of that. Ja, was Volume to BTS. Love this song so much more. I love this song so much. I love Stray Kids. Stray Kids put me in a mood. It's the best mood ever. Yeah! Choosing Stray Kids. For sure. Sorry NCT Dream. You guys are adorable. And this song is great, but elevator. I love secret garden. Yep. Guys, I'm almost done with this pasta. This is crazy. Oh, nice. 17 all the way. Sorry, Pentagon. I'm gonna go with Roller Coaster. Chunga. I like that song better. What are you going up against? Oh, Starry Night. I love this song so much. I really didn't care for this song when it came out, to be honest. No, God. I didn't care for any of these songs. But if I had to choose, I'm gonna go with 365 Fresh. Does anyone know? Does anyone know? How it makes me feel? 21 forever and ever. I'm still butthurt about that, you guys. I'm choosing 21, by the way. I love how every time I choose a song, I'm like, huh. Yes, and Flying wins this round. And I absolutely love And Flying. They're so badass. I've never seen this video. Oh. Amigo's Golden Child. They're so cute. It's cute, yes. I know this is a song thing. Because he has like vocal hints. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go with BTB. I prefer that song over this one. I'm not gonna lie. I like Super Junior. I do. But BTB takes it. Awesome! So I did realize that I haven't watched some music videos here. So that was pretty cool. And to see a snippet of it. But hopefully we'll get to react to those. That'd be awesome. I felt like this K-pop game was a little easier than the other ones that I've done. They didn't put too many of like my favorite artists together. Except GOT7 and BTS. But I had to choose BTS. That's like a no-brainer for me. I'm sorry. I love GOT7. I love every artist that I listen to, but if I had to choose between them and BTS, I'm always gonna choose BTS. This is really good pizza. I only have 3 slices left, and I realized that if I continue eating it all, I won't have any food for tomorrow. So, what I'm gonna do, I should save my mom a slice. Or 2. Damn it, why did I eat all the pasta? Why am I so hungry? Okay, so, yeah, I'm gonna save these. I think my mom might want, yeah, we'll do that. Maybe my mom will eat. And if she doesn't eat it, then I'll take it to work tomorrow. Yay, for lunch. So then what I can do is eat these. This must be icing. Guys, I might go into a sugar coma after eating all of this because it looks very sweet. Very, very sweet. Oh gosh. I love cinnamon. I love anything sweets. I used to not care for sweets at all. And for some reason now, I am the biggest sweet tooth of life. Oh my god, that's so perfect. You guys, it's crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. Yes, it's like my favorite kind of texture for food. You get the best of both worlds. Yeah. I'm really happy. Yeah. I'm such a mess. I'm making the biggest mess of life. I think it's really funny that I eat a lot, but I don't really gain weight. I actually struggled with my body weight for a really long time. It would always get made fun of because I was so skinny. I've talked about this in like my Love Yourself video, and it was really hard. Like for a long time I began to like binge eat, and even after I stopped that, I did my very best to gain weight, and I just didn't succeed. I feel like I don't understand why it's so hard for me to gain weight. And it's funny because as I get older, my metabolism has slowed down a lot. But I don't know. I guess I just burn too many calories a day. I do laugh a lot, and I do know that laughing burns calories. I'm not entirely sure how many calories I might be burning from laughing every day, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't make a difference at all. I was just trying to be funny. Obviously that didn't work. Who did it? Oh, this is really good. How many have I eaten? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are here? Ow! I don't know if you guys heard that, but my jaw just cracked so hard. Ah. So there were 8 in here. I've already eaten 4. There's 4 left. Let's take a poll. Should I eat the other 4? Or should I save the other 4? Or should I eat 2 and save the other 2 for later? I'll give you guys some time to vote. Alrighty, now that you guys have voted, I'm gonna eat 1. And I'll tell you why. Best of both worlds. And because I can do whatever I please. That's what happens. That's what I got. Yeah. I know my mom isn't gonna eat this. She does not like sweets at all. I used to be like my mom when I was smaller, but I'm gonna end up saving those 3 first tomorrow, or maybe later, who knows. And I'm just gonna eat this one just in case anyone voted that they wanted to see me eat another one. Well, no, you can. And you have. Wow, these things are really good. I will say, these things would also be good on its own, I feel. Hey, you're up. Hey, mama. It's so good. I actually prefer these better than Taco Bell cinnamon twist. Just because I get the crunchy outside and the soft, like, inside bit. I'm happy. I'm so happy. Hey! How you doing? Yeah, you can't have any of these. I'm gonna show you what she looks like right now. She is so cute. Look at her face. Aww. She's so funny looking. Look at her paws. She is my little bundle of joy. I love the dog so much. She understands everything that I like. I talk to her. I have conversations with her. She completely understands me. Not even kidding. There are certain words that I just cannot say around her because she will go crazy. Yeah. Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? She's just going crazy right now. Do you want a treat? Hmm? Can you speak? Speak. Speak. Oh, you're so cute. Sit. Yeah. Good girl. Okay. So, I ended up faking. These are actually vitamins, and I tell her they're treats. Just so she'll eat them. Did you like that? Ah, my belly is so full right now. I don't even think I can finish the soda. The only thing bad about drinking the soda is that afterwards I just really need to burp so freaking much. Ugh. You guys, I am like the queen of burps. I can come out with some mean ass burps. I won't do it on camera because I'm a lady. But I have to burp so bad right now. There are 2. Oh god. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me on this Dominos Mukbang. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed playing the K-pop pick one, kick one game. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.